Durga Puja has ended, but so many festivals are left. Let's cherish the moment and welcome the festivals with this cake. Hello Alice, I am Arunima and you are watching the Homely Kitchen with Arunima. Today I am showing you Oreo cake. Everyone can like this easy, delicious and only 3 ingredients cake. So without further ado, let's make the cake.
Take the Oreo biscuits as per your need. I am using these small packets Oreo biscuit. You can use as per your choice. Unwrap them and place them in a mixer jar. Blend them smoothly. I am doing this process. You can break the biscuits by your hands or by a stick also. All the measurements are in the description box. Do check it out. Blend very nicely. Now they are in powder form. Pour the biscuits powder in a mixing bowl. Add the baking soda. Stir well. Do not use baking powder because the biscuits contain baking powder and baking soda. Gradually add the milk and make a runny dough. No need to use any sugar or oil anything. This cake is super tasty with only these 3 ingredients. See how shiny the batter is without any oil or butter. Take a bowl. Brush the oil. I am using steel bowl. You can use the aluminium bowls or cake mold also. I am using steel bowls only for this shape. Apply some flour in it. This process is helpful to remove the cake easily from the mold. Pour the batter in the bowl. Fill the bowl half or 3/4. Do not fill the bowl full. Tap for few seconds. Preheat a pan for 10 minutes. Place the bowl in the preheated pan. Cover the pan for 35 to 45 minutes in medium flame. Now check the cake. The cake is perfectly baked. Turn off the oven and let it be cooled. For the homemade cream, add some cocoa powder in a pan. Add sugar as per your taste. It is absolutely optional. You can skip this. But if you want to make a bakery style cake, definitely try this step. Add butter. Stir well. Do not place the pan in the oven before mixing. Add 1 or 2 Oreo biscuits. Mix everything well, then place the pan in the oven. Now boil it until it gets a thicker, creamy consistency. If you want to see another cake recipes, I will give the link in the I button and in the description box. Do check the mango cake recipe. Now the cream is perfectly cooked and it is the perfect consistency. Turn off the oven. Now unmold the cake. See, the cake is easily removed. See the unique shape. Pour the cream on the cake. Spread evenly. Garnish it as per your choice. Now your easy, delicious Oreo cake is ready.
Have you found this video helpful? Don't forget to like and share this video and comment down below have you enjoyed the cake recipe or not. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and set to all to get notification of the more exciting recipes. Follow me on Instagram to know the upcoming recipe beforehand. Okay Alice, that's all for today. Meeting you in next Friday with a special recipe. Till then, bye.